Welcome, customer team investor. Trading Jesus always here, guys, to update you because you told me to do update daily for customer team. That's what I'm trying to do. And what we saw by yesterday, crazy move by customer team, we're gonna explain why the price did this and where we could expect for customer team if we gonna see this 0.66 again. This is the major shift for customer team for uptrend. So without further ado, as I promised you here, no BS, no editing, straight to the information, straight to the chart always. So before we go to the video, like and subscribe, and let's get right to it. What are we waiting for? Let's hunt. So this is the chart. It's still looking good to me. Look with me, guys. I told you in the previous video that we did here at the 2nd of May when we talk about customer team. I told you guys this is important to never see the 0.47, and look with me, the price went to 0.48 and then look, this is bad here, but it's still good because we got a big buying pressure and took us above the 50 cent, 0.50 cent. This is important. I told you this is a psychological level around the 0.50, and we hold up and we got a big buying pressure. So now is a big major move we have to see for customer team, because what? Take your note and note this kind of warning sign for customer team. First, the volume is still below the zero. That's why we have a struggle to go over to test the 55 again, and we still almost at zero, not in positive. So we see the volume turning in positive the moment we go test again the 0.55, and by this week we need again hold up for the price above this line. We still technically above it. If you can see here, we close above it a bit, and the price has been squeezed and trying to go lower, but we see a lot of buying pressure around the 0.48, and always when we go there we see a buying pressure and take us to 0.50. So the perfect scenario, if we still respect our line here and we go up again to test the 0.55 by this week, sooner rather than later, we need to test again the 0.55 without rejection this time and hold up above with our volume will be above the zero. This is really important to see for customer team to do. But the moment that we broke this line, I see a weakness, as we should have no bias at my trading here at my channel. We try to never have bias in the trading. From just a fast glance from the chart, the moment we break this line, as I told you here, and precisely here at this area, notice the price that went below. Then we have two candles, red and green. The one that drove us up down, we have we met the demand of selling exactly and took us above, and then we almost closely close above our line here, our ascending line. But the things don't like, guys, when things doesn't go to my direction or respect my line, because the moment here this candle is not looking good, that we have it here, now is the major turning point. If we have a closing candle again here, I'm just telling you the truth. I don't want to be like bringer of bad news, but I'm just telling you, if we have another candle again close below the 0.50 and closing here, this is a major downtrend coming for Castor Maritime, and big selling pressure will take us again at 0.45. We're gonna see a buying pressure here at 0.55 if we close here, and this is not a good news because we've been trending above the exponential moving average, then we break from it at this level around the 29th of April. Yes, a lot of stocks, guys, like a lot of stocks been uptrending at the end of last month. Then at the end, the last month, it start dropping and closing below our exponential moving average. So now this is the major turning point. We have some hope last month that things will have changed, but everything changed at the last month of April. This is almost happened for the market. At the end of the month and the beginning of the other month is set in center for whole month. So now we don't want to see for the Castor Maritime to close around here. As I told you, if we close here, this is show us this breakout been not verified, and we have a lot of selling pressure. That's why we can't go to test again. So by today, we need to hold above the 0.50 and test this level and close above to give us confirmation for this ascending line that's been proven, and the price value will be triggered up. But if not, we have a closing candle here, there's a price go below and test the 0.5045, and I'm gonna update you about the other prices later, because I will do update daily for you guys to let you notified and updated about all the prices to hunt exactly with me. So guys, always protect yourself, be patient, never be hasty, and jump without a written plan and strategy. Trust me, guys, this is important. This is really important. Never jump in any trade unless you justify why you did it in first place. Just ask yourself this question: whenever you lost money, what did you do? Of course you didn't have a plan, of course you didn't written anything, and you jumped because you were hyped and you feared you missed out on opportunity. This is bad news. And never do it even in daily life. If you jump and buy something without justify why you buy it, you're gonna buy a lot of rubbish and things you don't need, and then you want to sell it, you sell it like you lose the money, you lose it, like you sell it 80% down from the value price. So this is even in your daily life. If you just get back and what you buy something for, and you never justifiable, 100% will be not in good value for you. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, daily video. So hit the notification so you never miss any of my future update, and see you guys in the next update.